Hey guys, welcome back into the Code with DC YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to install Java in your Windows operating system in 2024 only. This is latest by 2024. That's why this will helpful to you right now and in the coming years also, like 2025 and 2026. For that, you need to just go on to this website named as oracle.com, or else you can like Java JDK download. Okay, first link will be the Oracle one only. So here already I have opened. You need to click on the Windows button once you get into this website, Oracle's website. Here there are three ways to install. One is Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Okay, uh, in Windows there are three ways. One is XST for compressed archive installer, MSI installer, like this. So all have different purposes, but right now for easier task we will be using installer. Okay, yeah. If you have doubts related to this, we can discuss in the comment section, but for now we will be going to installer, as I wanted to make this video very short for my subscribers. So click on this, once that file is downloaded, click on that button and click on that software and click on the yes button. Let me check my charging currently. It's a bit lower, not an issue. Let me open it. Now what you have to do is click on the next button, and as you can see, it will be under profile program files Java JDK 17. Another next. It will take some time, not much, but uh, till then we can open the file, that location, because we have to put into the um, as you can see, I feel Java folder will be created in a while. Yeah, let's wait for the installation. As you can see, Java folder is created in the background. Now all files will be installed in this folder. It will not take much time if the background applications are not running, not taking much RAM, also called as memory. As you can see, I have different versions of the Java here. So due to already having that path, I am not adding here. You can just click on this button like new, and you can paste here like that. Okay, so that you have to do, and just clicking it, cut it, and cut it. Now to check that Java is installed or not, you can click on the. You can open CMD by clicking on Windows button and R. Click OK. Now click Java hyphen version Java and Java C. Yeah, we were able to check this one. Now let me run you some small program like which have already VS Code. Okay, here if file. Okay, CMD is already put. To run any Java code, you need to type Java C and then file name dot Java. Okay, let me delete it and then click again open terminal. Click on this button. Click on command prompt Java C. Simple Java. I guess Java C is not recognized here currently. I have to stop, close this window again. Now fresh VS Code is open. Then check here Java C Java example.java. Now to run this project, to run this Java code, we need to 1 second. We need to type Java example. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. As you can see, here I have written this code UDC dot C YouTube channel. This has been pinned. That means you have successfully installed Java University. So that's it for this video, guys. We will meet in another video. Thank you. Bye.